नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Satsangis, Samajis, Shri Mahants, Tanedar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, Science of Inner Awakening participants, and everyone sitting with us all over the world through YouTube, Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. First thing today I wanted to tell, even Sangha, all the Adinavasis and Sangha, our own volunteers, Adinavasis, all are feeling Mahasadashivoham is only for our devotees. No. Understand, you need to give medicine to somebody who is really sick. Mahasadashivoham is meditation for our Sangha, taking you to the next level, making you manifest next level. But Mahasadashivoham is medication for a common man, survival need. Understand? It is survival need. First thing I want you to know, in Mahasadashivoham I am introducing experientially the further dimensions of the universe. The doors you are going to see, the beings you are going to face, the space which you are going to see after you leave the body, to a completely new place. Do you want to travel all by yourself after death alone, or you want to make a happy trip with the owner of that place taking you around? Giving you the glimpse while you are alive. Understand, it is fundamentally taking the whole thing to the next level. Taking the whole thing to the next level. Yesterday I made a statement. It's only Kala Bhairava can give visa. That is not to depress you or make you feel disturbed, depressed. No. Listen very carefully. A sincere humbleness, prayerful receptivity will remove all the barriers. All the barriers will be lowered. All the barricades will be lowered. What I was trying to convey to you yesterday by making that statement, not to fall into self-doubt. I heard many people, oh, if Kala Bhairava is going to decide to give visa, I am not going to get it. Already fell into the self-doubt. No. It should be, if he is going to give visa, means once I get the visa, then work is done. I am done. I am going to experience it. What no other human beings can experience. What no other human beings experienced. What's the difference between going to the Tibet and seeing that Kailasa and coming here and seeing the Kailasa? What is the difference between going to Tiruvannamalai and searching and trying to see where I became enlightened and see whether I am there or not, and going to our ashram where Sadashiva gave a Atmalinga to me and seeing whether I am there or not? That place is a Leela Sthana. This place is Sthana where Leela is happening. Yes, if you go there, you will see the Leela Sthana. No doubt. They have their own sacredness. Do you want to see the Leela Sthana or Leela? If you want to see the Leela Sthana, go there. If you want to see the Leela, come here. That's all. I have always seen a bunch of victims. Oh, I did not take birth during Krishna's time. They go and cry when Chaitanya was in the body. When Chaitanya leaves the body, Ramakrishna comes down. I was not there when Chaitanya was in the body. And then they miss Ramakrishna. When Ramana Maharishi is in the body, they go and cry, I was not there when Ramakrishna was in the body. They miss Ramakrishna. Sorry, they miss Ramana Maharishi. Then they come and sit here. I was not there when Ramana Maharishi was in the body. You are going to come back when 298 or 299 is in the throne. I was not there when Nityananda Bhagavan was in the body. Eh, Dumbo, Mumbo, Jumbo, Ambo. You will cry when Chaitanya is in the body saying, I was not alive when Ramakrishna was in the body, when Krishna was in the body, and miss Chaitanya. You will go to Ramakrishna and cry, I was not there in the body when Chaitanya was alive, and miss Ramakrishna. Then when you go to Ramana Maharishi and cry, oh, I was not there in the body when Ramakrishna was in the body, and miss Ramakrishna, miss Ramana Maharishi. Now you will come and sit here and cry, I was not in the body when Ramana Maharishi was in the body. These victims can go there because all you want to do is cry. Victims can go to Leela Sthana. Victorious people can come to see Leela. Victims can go to see Leela Sthana. Victorious people can come to see Leela. Understand one thing. Never ever in the past The subjective sciences were delivered with such a strong, experiential, powerful Sakshi Pramanas, which stands the objective sciences scrutiny. All the powers you manifest stands the scrutiny of objective science. Whether the third eye power you manifest or the everything, every power you manifest, whether third eye, power over the matter, everything stands the scrutiny of the objective science standards. Understand, listen carefully, even power manifestation. People sometimes tend to think, oh, in this program initiation itself I got the powers. What is the need to go for Mahasada Shivoham? Understand, there is a big difference. There is a big difference tasting once in your life a vegetarian meal and growing the body out of vegetarian meal. Once you had an initiation glimpse and tasted some power is totally different. Coming and soaking in the source of power. And building your whole being and manifesting completely next level of consciousness. Understand? There is a vast difference. There is a great difference. There is a big difference. There is a big difference. Growing completely new intra-organs like third eye, walk. Developing a complete new being. Understand? I can see 30 years before and now how the human beings have become literally dead, impotent. Not just in the sexual sense I am talking overall. I have seen my grandfather plowing the land. I don't think my brothers or my friends can do, or their generation, forget about plowing, even walking I don't know whether they will be able to do by his age. I have seen my grandfather plowing the land. Even the physical strength, flexibility, power, confidence, strength, kind of a consciousness, they radiated an ability to handle situations and life. The amount of energy this body can withstand and continue to be active constantly, the whole credit goes to Yogananda Puri and my mother, who never supported me whenever I complain about my Gurukul. I had a Gurukul, beautiful Gurukul, one student Gurukul. Today when I was talking to an architect, I was sitting with an architect for more plans. Suddenly I realized my whole head is filled with Tiruvannamalai temple and Madurai Meenakshi temple. Anything other than that, my mind automatically rejects. That is why still no construction has happened in the campus. It's no one's mistake. It's not that we don't have money. It's not that we don't have people. But any plan anybody brings, cognition will straight take and put it with a Tiruvannamalai temple and Madurai temple. Is it there? It's not there. Reject. Over. After that, never that plan even gets into my system. So now I decided the temple and university, both I'll separate. So the temple can be like a temple of Tiruvannamalai and Madurai. University can be like university. Modern day building. I grew up in temple. I had a Gurukul. But the raw atmosphere I had, I don't think I'm able to reproduce it for my next generation. Boys are not listening to me. Kids are not listening to me. First time I'm making this statement. How much you can push? In our times, straight. Of course, fortunately, I never pushed my elders to kick me, beat me. They did not put us with the psychiatric doctors who will diagnose some ADHD, dum-dim, jumbo, mumbo, ambo, jumbo, gumbo, phobia, bipolar, this phobia, that phobia, and put some medicines and keep us in sedation. No. They were taking responsibility for us. They were taking responsibility for us. They beaten us, they trained us, they cajoled us, they loved us. They did everything and made what we are today. There are certain kind of kids who are really brilliant, intelligent, who catch these great truths, behave very responsibly. But there are certain dull, what to say that, who are already fed with the humanity's food and thought currents and poison. They don't move without fear and greed. That is. So till that fear and greed fuel is taken out and inspiration fuel is changed, kids are struggling. I am telling you, in modern days, even if the kids' bodies are damaged within 7 years, because by the time 7 we accept them in Gurukul, within 7 so much damage, then if you are above 7, what damage has happened to you? Oh God. I tell you, for every human being, Mahasdashoham is a medication you need. For my disciples, it may be meditation. For all of you, it is a medication. For all the common men, all the human beings, the whole humanity, it is some medication required. Literally, understand, experiencing different powers, in weekend workshop or two-way video conferencing is only to give you the glimpse, to make you understand it is possible. Just having only one meal and having a regular meal, what is the difference between these two? You will say, oh, once I ate, that's enough. I don't want to eat. No. It is to give you the understanding. If you experienced glimpse of any one power, work continuously inside through oneness, manifesting your third eye, make Mahasadashivam happen for you. That is the tapas for you. After all, human beings are not doing any other tapas. All the attempt you are doing to reach to Mahasadashivam is the tapas you need to do. What else you guys are doing to achieve this great powers and space? Sangha should first know Mahasadashivam is any being who is alive. Mahasadashivam is for any being who is alive. Actually, our zoo is not yet ready. I am working on a spiritual zoo. We are working already on legal paperwork to have tigers, lions. Maybe the next program, when you come, they will also be there in the hall taking initiation, receiving Jnananjana. They will all be there in the hall, manifesting powers. You will see. I wanted the world to know all these are not just for human beings, for all life. Actually, I am going to create a power manifestation generation cows. A special breed of cows, they will manifest powers. See, if I make a few hundred cows manifest powers, all the calves born out of those cows, those bulls, they will all be manifesting powers. Just I need to do 2-3 generations, that's all. Power manifesting dogs, power manifesting cows, power manifesting parrots, power manifesting lions, power manifesting tigers. Going to be doing a series of power manifesting animals. I am serious about it. This is one of the important project of Sarvajñapita. Understand? Our Goshala is not just going to be maintaining cows. It is going to be power manifesting. Actually, power manifesting breeding place. Understand? Pushing the whole humanity to the next level. Pushing the whole humanity to next level. Pushing the whole life on the planet Earth to the next level. This Mahasadashivoham will be the result. I will be sharing the essence of all the research work last few years we were doing, compiling the whole thing and presenting it to you experientially, sharing with you experientially. last 3 years of my work I am sharing with you in this one program. Even if I ask you to share last 3 years of your work's results, it is dharmic. But I am not asking you that. Make the intention, you will see it becomes reality. So Mahasadashivoham chalo. Understand. Even I have put that frame in my Facebook. Mahasadashivoham chalo. If you even feel slight interest, intention, put it as your frame. You will be here. You will be here. Help as many as possible to reach Mahasadashivoham. You will naturally be helped and pushed to Mahasadashivoham. See, when I said Kalabhairava gives visa, don't fall into self-doubt. I give you the key, secret key. Swarupapriya came and asked me, if they all chant Kalabhairava Ashtakam, will Kalabhairava give the visa quickly? I give you the secret key. He doesn't fall for your praise. He falls for your enriching. Start enriching everyone about Mahasadashivoham. He will simply give you the visa. Enriching about Mahasadashivoham is the prayer you can do to get visa from Kalabhairava. So not just paying, not just doing your work, enriching gets you the visa. Enriching gets you the visa. Putting the frame Mahasadashivoham chalo in your Facebook is the first step towards enriching. Start enriching now, you will reach Mahasadashivoham. Tell everyone Mahasadashivoham chalo, you will be in Mahasadashivoham. Understand every level, in every level, your enriching infuses life into you. So, with this essence of today's satsang, Mahasadashivoham chalo, and enriching is the prayer gets you visa. With this I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.